Hey.
Ana Soleze. Abazio. Apoloku.
Ana Soleze the second na Chebanye. The deputy traditional prime minister. Odu Katugu Nile Rikarula. Also Puchiksa Glenn Wafo. Weke mama kali nwa yena mma.
Oye sigi kuonipa. Asise kunia na woka anara ama. Manoku manomma. Asige kunia.
I said that when a man is too beautiful, too handsome to behold, the man becomes beautiful. Oh, boy, sir. I might go, yeah. You don't know son is. You don't know son is. On the country, I don't know what to do. Culture and tradition. Chief Barrister Asafo. Jude Ebunife. Okwatuebu Enugu Nomondre. Odia.